The virtual reality that we've all been dreaming about is actually here. And with your support, we can ensure it's open and free, just like the internet. Hi, I'm Patrick Buckley from DodoCase, and I'm here to share a little secret with you. Your smartphone can be transformed into a virtual reality device, and all you need is what's here on this Kickstarter page, and you can have it by Christmas. Virtual reality is amazing. It's really a new medium. You can go into space, you can fly around the Earth, you can watch 360-degree immersive videos, you can play games.
Shoot at zombies, you can visit the Palace of Versailles, you can ride along with rally car racers, you can tag with the expedition of Arctic explorers. You can even use your smartphone to capture your very own virtual reality scenes. There are so many things you can already do with your smartphone in virtual reality today.
Together, we can bring DIY virtual reality to the masses.
In June, Google released plans for a smartphone VR viewer. It was an awesome start, but their magnet button switch only worked on 4 to 5 Android phones, and the plans required hard-to-find components and hours of cutting cardboard by hand. We wanted to take all that friction out and keep the fun in.
We wanted to make it simpler and more accessible. Team DodoCase is no stranger to rapid prototyping and innovative manufacturing. We make everything here in the United States. We have our own factory, and we're ready to ship. We've been working hard to make a capacitive button switch which works with any smartphone that has a touch screen. So we've heard a lot of people that want to use cardboard virtual reality hands-free. We created a new system, what we like to call the Trucker hat-mounted display. Today, we're announcing the developer cardboard kit, available only here on Kickstarter. It has both the magnetic switch and the capacitive touch switch and a leap motion mount for the front of your device. So if you want to use hand gestures to control virtual reality, you can do it with your cardboard viewer. After working hard to make virtual reality hardware more open and accessible, we realized that the software also needed to be more open and accessible.
A few months back, the folks from DodoCase reached out to me to talk about creating a low-cost virtual reality software platform. For developers, making VR should be as simple as creating a web page. That's why I created Glam. It's a way of creating 3D content in your browser using simple tags and style sheets CSS. Glam is an open source project being used to create 3D applications today. The funds from this Kickstarter will allow us to add cardboard VR support to Glam, so you can use the same kind of easy development tools and open source technology to build your VR applications for cardboard VR.
We think this technology shouldn't be controlled by a couple of big companies. We think it should be for everyone. 100% of the proceeds of this project will go towards building open source virtual reality tools. This moment in time for virtual reality is like where the radio was in the 1920s, or television in 1939, or the internet in 1991. So this is the homebrew moment for virtual reality.
We're delighted to be part of the DIY VR revolution.
We're at the very beginning of something that's very exciting. We need your help to make sure this is an open and free future for virtual reality, and with your support, we can do it.
Thank you, Kickstarter!
This is like a mosh pit.
Oh! Ah! Oh! Sorry, stepped on somebody's toes.